In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track revenue forecasts in Pipedrive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is log into your Pipedrive account. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar menu. You'll see a variety of options, but what you're searching for is Insights. Go ahead and click on that. This section will allow you to dig deeper into your data and keep an eye on your revenue forecasting. Now that you've opened Insights, we're going to create a new report. Look to the top left corner of the Insights dashboard. You should see a button that says Create. Click on that and then select Report. This is where the magic happens, as we can tailor the report to meet our specific needs. Next, in the Report Setup options, you'll want to focus on selecting the correct report entity. For our purposes today, choose Revenue Forecast. This is vital because it defines what kind of data you want to analyze moving forward. Once you've selected the Revenue Forecast entity, you'll need to choose how you want to visualize this data. This is where you select your chart type. A time-based visual, like a line or bar chart, is generally the best route to go here. This choice allows you to easily view expected income trends over time, which is what we want for accurate forecasting. Now we need to refine our forecast data a bit further. Look to the filters at the top of the report setup. You'll want to tighten your expected close date range. This means selecting specific months or quarters that you want to examine more closely. If you have particular pipelines or deal owners that you want to focus on, you can filter those as well, which helps to give you a clearer picture of where your revenue is coming from. After you've set up your filters, it's time to group and scale your data. Check how you'd like the data to be grouped, monthly or quarterly, depending on what suits your analysis. You will also want to confirm your preferred currency to ensure everything aligns with your financial reporting. Once you're satisfied with your settings and the way the chart appears, you'll want to save your report. Look to the top right corner of the page and click on the Save button. This action will store the report in your Analytics Hub, allowing you easy access to revisit it whenever you need. And there you have it. You have successfully set up your revenue forecast tracking in Pipedrive. Being able to visualize and analyze your expected revenue is crucial for informed decision-making. And with this report at your fingertips, you're well on your way to having a better grasp on your business's financial health. I hope you found this video insightful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on maximizing your use of Pipedrive and enhancing your sales strategies. Thank you for watching.